Kiombe kimo kamenyekana buna Kisii Endelevu Trust Initiative ni wanokia watu kiremerobeli yabo ya myaka 5 rebosio gukwana kurwaso mucyobo songa soko bwato kemerobeli yabo niko batebere mbalingeti gukine uchumi umuyega bwo gukirana no mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Arati omurikito Brighton Makoli no roboti rwa senchera yoboime.
Today's event is significant milestone in the journey of collaboration between Kisii County and the USA, as well with Arati, which began with the signing of a memorandum of understanding in February 2020.
Nerenkwana y'umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Arati hanenekera nyaraka wikirana asomoyiga bogocha kimeruberiyo barachyo korase myaka 5 yekiombe ya Kisii Endelevu Trust Initiative eyo yachakiwitko olialero.
I look forward to working with this NGO and leverage on the platform it has created to engage civil society organization, the private sector.
Niganyara kaote abune jina chinga ki county ya Kisii dakirikoririwa na kubekwa buronge.
Please let us fix our county. It's for the generation to come. Again, it can start from Kisii to spread all over the country.
Boigo gavana nigatogire kiombe kya USAID anene ekero kya nyarigi kurobo konyi au gochiase county ya Kisii.
We shall continue engaging the USA on how to strengthen the capable. I urge our implementing partners to ensure the board is represented and its membership reflect the face of Kisii with a clear engagement mechanism with the county government.
Aisha Moronya noyo mukuru wa kiombe kyo nero bwataya au kwana.
We are happy to be here today in the company of the county governor and dignitaries from USAID and Aga Khan Foundation. Our core objective was to launch our 5-year strategic plan, which we have been working on for the last 6 months or so, and we are happy that today we laid down the foundation stone for the same, and we hope that moving forward we are going to cause a lot of impact and transformation within our county. Using the member CSOs, we have around 1,697 members who are corporates or members of the civil society network with whom we are going to collaborate on various aspects within the county.
Boigo niga mentire meroberiki kiombe kikebegede hase county ya Kisii.
From agriculture, we have education, we have issues around gender and several other cross-cutting sectors within the county to ensure that we bring about more development in collaboration with the county government and other stakeholders within the private sector.
Dr. John Nyambega nerino yomokuru wa sekiombekyo yunyaraga kokoboko ayumoronya anyara kaukwana.
Today was a great day for us. We have managed to have a sitting with the governor, the directorate of USAID Kenya, and the Aga Khan Foundation, which is our local sponsoring group. And we have brought on board our members from our 45 counties together, and other interest groups like people living with disability, those addressing women issues, youth, border, and other interest groups in the county.
Boigo nigo basegetire abamenyi be county ya Kisii kurigirelia na kubike bintu au herikomenta ligoria se bintu biri bakorosia gose bakonia.
We have engaged our groups to do value addition in what we produce. We are increasing productivity in particular areas to make our people self-reliant, and also some of the rules we are pushing, or some of the agendas we are pushing, the governors had to grant us. We can now carry soapstone, just come and carry it raw out of the county. We want to add value here before it goes out so that our people get what it takes as we go ahead.
Uriboti riketa sini Ndizi TV iridhariane Brighton Makoli.